Hey Jags, have you guys heard of the new Bloomington Ice Garden renovations? Let's go give you an inside look on what it's looking like now. Now let's go ask some players and fans what they're most excited for about the new rink.
I'm excited to play on the new rink. It looks sick, and excited to see the new locker rooms.
I'm excited to watch the boys rip a little stick and puck this year. The games are going to be real fun. We're going to get real hype.
I'm just really excited for the new locker rooms, the new rink, and it's going to be weird seeing everything switched around, but it's just going to really be a fun season.
I'm most excited to get our own locker room and to have the new rink be a lot bigger.
I'm most excited to play on Rink 1, which is the old Rink 3, and especially for our new locker room too.
Yeah, I'm very excited for this year. It's going to be really fun with the new rink and everything, the new locker room, and just excited for all the fans to come out and watch us play.
Wow, I'm excited to go see the boys buzz at the hockey rink this year. This has been Bjorn Golden signing off for Jag Spots.